Hello everyone, my name is Gede. You can call me Swarte. I'm your guide today when we go to the Banyumalu Waterfall in Wonogiri village. So, Banyumalu Waterfall have a meaning like Banyu is water and Mala is dirty. Banyumalu Waterfall is water can clear your dirty on your body and soul. Because Banyumalu Waterfall can make you calm and down because you can see the nature vibes there. The activity there you can do such as taking picture, swim, yoga, and any activities. For the facility, it's good because have a changing room, toilet, and gazebo, and you can get a free mineral water. For the entrance, just only 50,000 rupiah for one person. You can take it free mineral water. And if you're tired when you go up, you can rent a motorcycle, just only 25,000 rupiah for one person. Thank you. That's all.